Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn comparing decimals. So this is very important to understand the decimals. The comparison is very important here. Otherwise you will not come to know which decimal is greater or smaller. So this is a very important concept. So the rules are convert unlike decimals into the like decimals. So what are unlike and like decimals? I have explained in my previous video. So you can watch that. Then first compare the whole part. So as we know, decimals will have the whole part and a decimal part. So first of all, I have to compare the whole parts. Suppose in whole parts, let us take two decimals. Suppose the whole part of first decimal is greater than the full decimal is greater. Suppose whole parts are equal, then go on comparing the decimal part from 10th place, because the first decimal place is 10th place. Suppose 10th place are also same, then go for 100th place and so on. So I'll take examples so that you will understand this. So you need to compare here decimals. And 4.271. So as I told you, first of all, you have to convert this into the like decimals. So 2.3471. Like decimals are the decimals with the same decimal part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there and we are only 3 digits. So we can convert this unlike decimal into like by writing 0 here to match with these 4 decimal parts. Now, as I told you, first compare the whole part. So this is whole part. So in whole part we have 2 here. Here we have the 4. So when here only we can get which decimal is greater. So as this comes in one place, this also comes in one place, but this is 4 is greater. So this decimal is greater. Don't go on comparing the further parts. First you have to start with the whole part. Here itself you got the answer. Now the examples second. So this is example. You can see actually there is no need of converting into the like decimals, but to avoid the confusion, always we convert into the like decimals. Without converting into the like decimals, you can do it. So you can see here whole parts. So how many decimals we want depends on that. So 0 and 0 here. So both are equal, whole part is equal here. Then if whole parts are equal, then go on comparing decimal parts from 10th place. So this is 10th place, isn't it? So here compare this, here we have 0, here we have 3. So obviously 3 is greater. So this full decimal is greater. Now let us take some more examples. And here we'll take so you can see here we have the whole part. You can convert into like decimals or not. It depends on you. So here we have the whole part. We don't have the decimal here, isn't it? So we'll compare the whole part. This comes in 100 plus, 100 plus same. 10s plus, 10s plus same. Then this is 1s plus, 1s plus. Here you can see 4 and here we have the 1. So obviously 4 is greater. So 134 is greater than 131.0721. Let us take one more example. 3.789 and 3.787. So you can see here we have the whole part here, and in whole part we have the unit place. Only unit place digit is there. Compare it. Both are same. Go for 10th place. That is 1 upon 10 place. Here also 1 upon 10 place same. Then so on it is said. It means what? Here if 10th place digit are same, then go for next digit. Here we have 8. Here also we have the 8. Same. But here we have 9 and here we have the 7. So obviously 9 is greater. So this decimal is greater. So you can see how easy it is, but you need to understand the method here.